everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, we're talking about Skeem Saam, specifically about Lehasa. Last time I checked, he wanted nothing no Pretty Siya Kamela and her pregnancy. He called her a gold digger and directed her to hell. Well guys, Pretty decided to terminate her pregnancy. Now he is asking, how can she do that without him knowing? Lehasa does not have children and he ruined the only chance he had to be a father because of pride. Guess what? Now he is stressed. Even his girlfriend Kwezikazi was shocked and she will cause havoc to the Sekamelas. I'm sure she doesn't know Umantuli Kaiwan. Guys, leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.